Hello, I'm Robert Morgan. I'm the service director here at Five Star Ford in North Richland Hills, Texas. There are two ways you can schedule to get in for service department. One is fivestarford.com. You can go on to schedule an appointment there. The availability is there. You can choose your service advisor there. You can even choose what symptoms you happen to have with your vehicle to go to the specific department. The other way is simply call 817-576-1300. Once your scheduled appointment day and time has arrived, you will arrive at our service drive here at 6618 Northeast Loop 820. A greeter will meet you out on the service drive upon your arrival within 2 minutes or less. Once that happens, he will take you to your service advisor to get any additional information that you might have forgot or missed on your scheduled appointment. From there, we have a shuttle service that can obviously take you anywhere within 25 miles to your designated location. Another option that you might have or schedule during your initial appointment is our mobile service. Mobile service is also within 25 miles, and we can schedule your appointment through mobile service to where you don't even have to leave the house. So, depending on your desire and your convenience that works around your lifestyle, we're here to take care of you. And your professional certified service advisor is here to take care of you. He will keep you updated along the way and get your vehicle back to you as soon as possible. And once the service is completed on your vehicle, there are options for you to retrieve your vehicle. One is you could just simply come by here and pay our cashiers whatever bill that there may be due, and a valet will bring it around to the service drive and deliver it to you. Another option for your convenience is pickup and delivery. We can deliver your vehicle right back to your house. You can pay either over the phone or even via text.